为了让听众者嘛会当感受古典音乐的水，有一间科技公司设计一个真特殊的装置，让听众者会当来体验音乐。这个装置会将无同乐器的声音，伫咧无同所在震动来呈现，让听众者会当有新的体验。
美妙音乐声，让听众是听甲醉茫茫。这场伫纽约举办的古典音乐会，大卡观众拢穿一种震动套装，这是专门为听众人士设计，欢迎透过穿地式装置感受现场演奏的音乐。
An orchestra, I'm going to have the violins across the chest, and I'm going to put the cello and the bass elements in the back, and then we'll have some horns and stuff over the shoulders. But if I was to use it for a techno gig, it would be kick drum, snare, hats maybe on the shoulders, so it's a little bit of a different approach.
这装置加上手环加卡棒的套款，有24个震动点，透过震动的方式带来3D 宽摇的音乐体验。一间专门研发服务的科技公司研发出这种震动套装，希望让听众者因透过无同款的方式感受音乐。过去听众人士大部分用手摸喇叭，或者是提家几感受震动，这套装就连听着正常人拢感觉照意机。
I'm a hearing person. But I think that the idea of the immersive experience for a hearing person is going to be exciting because music happens at so many different levels. And of course the physics of music and all of that. So the idea of having access, even as a hearing person, to some of that bodily, it's very exciting. Yeah.
这种歌也捌伫摇滚乐团甲女神卡卡演唱会当中使用。设计者认为，透过这种方式体验声音的震动，就算毋是透过耳仔听到，依然能予听众者建立听觉记忆库。公司新闻陈慧珍编辑。